Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Kids Cookbooks is probably one of the most valuable tools for parents and educators looking to engage children in the kitchen and foster a lifelong love of cooking. We explore the top picks on the market, considering factors such as age appropriateness, recipe diversity, engaging presentation, and educational value, ensuring your little chefs have a fantastic culinary journey. Number 5. Young Chef's Cookbook. Welcome to the world of cooking. This cookbook is designed for young chefs like you, filled with 100+ delicious and easy-to-follow recipes. It's packed with a wide variety of recipes, from tasty appetizers to satisfying main courses and delightful desserts. There's something for everyone to enjoy. Each recipe includes simple, step-by-step instructions and clear photos, making cooking fun and accessible for all skill levels. Cooking should be an enjoyable experience. This cookbook makes learning to cook fun and exciting with age-appropriate recipes and tips. With this cookbook, you'll gain confidence in the kitchen and discover the joy of creating delicious meals. Let's get cooking. Grab your apron and get ready to explore a world of culinary adventures. You'll be amazed at what you can create. What we like. It boasts a wide array of recipes, covering diverse cuisines and flavors. If you're looking for a comprehensive cookbook with something for every palate, this is the one. This cookbook is perfect for young chefs who want to explore a world of culinary possibilities. What people say. This cookbook features over 100 delicious recipes that are not only easy to follow but also fun to make. From breakfast to dinner, snacks to desserts, this cookbook has it all. Recipes are simple enough that kids can make corrections if they make a mistake. Great for beginners. The recipes are simple and easy for kids and beginners. Contains helpful tips. Number 4. Baking Book for Young Chefs. Welcome to the world of baking. This book is your guide to creating delicious treats. Let's get started and explore the exciting recipes inside. It has more than 100 sweet recipes that are perfect for any occasion. You'll find everything from simple cookies to elegant cakes. But that's not all. It also includes savory recipes, expanding your baking horizons. Prepare to impress with your newfound skills. It teaches you fundamental baking techniques, from measuring ingredients to mastering oven temperatures. You'll become a confident baker in no time. These recipes are designed to be shared with friends and family. Baking is even more fun when you share your creations with others. Get ready to bake, share, and eat delicious treats. Happy baking! What we like. This cookbook specializes in baking, offering both sweet and savory options. If you are looking to improve your baking skills and create delicious treats to share with friends and family, then this is your best bet. It's ideal for young bakers who want to explore the art of baking. What people say. Great recipes with a ton of information and clear instructions. Pretty pictures, easy instructions for young teens, or older, to cook up delicious food. Each recipe is simple and easy to follow and is laying a foundation of good, solid basics. Number 3. Food Network Kids Cookbook. It's packed with 150+ recipes designed for young chefs. Let's get cooking. This cookbook makes cooking fun and simple for kids. Each recipe is easy to understand and follow. It features kid-approved recipes that are both delicious and nutritious. Get ready to explore new flavors. With colorful photos and simple instructions, it makes cooking an enjoyable experience for everyone. It's a great way to spend time together in the kitchen. This cookbook is the perfect gift for any young chef who loves to cook. It's sure to inspire creativity and confidence in the kitchen. It's from the trusted brand, Food Network magazine, ensuring quality and deliciousness. You can trust it to deliver great recipes. What we like. It offers a huge collection of recipes from the trusted Food Network brand. If you want a fun and engaging cookbook with a wide variety of recipes, this one is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who love the Food Network and want to try exciting new recipes. What people say. So many great, easy, creative recipes. I love the spiral binding. It sits flat on the counter. Most of the recipes are easy and basic. It's also a great way to teach reading, measurements, sequencing, time, temperature, and even money, with a trip to the store for ingredients. The book is a hardcover 3-ring notebook with colorful photos and slightly larger print. It's very well made and will last for years. Bright colorful photos and easy-to-follow recipes using ordinary easy-to-find ingredients. Number 2. Good Housekeeping Kids Cook. It's the cookbook designed to get kids excited about cooking and eating healthy food. With 100+ recipes, it's easy to find something everyone will love. This cookbook is packed with super easy, delicious recipes perfect for young cooks. It's a fun way to spend time in the kitchen as a family. Even the pickiest eaters will find something they enjoy. The simple instructions make cooking a breeze for kids of all ages. It's all about making healthy eating fun. These recipes are not only tasty but also nutritious. Cooking together is a great way to bond and create lasting memories. It's a perfect activity for parents and kids to enjoy together. It's designed to help kids build confidence in the kitchen. They'll learn valuable life skills while having fun. What we like. This cookbook focuses on super easy and delicious recipes, perfect for beginner cooks. If you are looking for a cookbook with simple recipes that even the youngest chefs can master, this is it. It's great for kids who want quick and satisfying results. What people say. Unlike some of the others we tried, Kids Cook is clear and not at all overwhelming, with appealing photos and tips for customizing recipes. Kids Bake is also fantastic this way, and it allows her to take the reins without needing a lot of parental help. Easy to follow and good pictures to make kids pick this up. All kids' favorites, he is excited to try them all. Photos included make it even better. Number 1. Little Helper's Toddler Cookbook. This cookbook is designed for toddlers, filled with healthy and kid-friendly recipes. It makes cooking together fun and easy for the whole family. It features a collection of nutritious recipes perfect for growing bodies. Each recipe is simple to follow and uses ingredients you probably already have. Say goodbye to picky eating. These recipes are designed to appeal to even the most discerning young palates. They're delicious and fun to make. Cooking together is a great way to bond with your toddler. This cookbook makes it simple and enjoyable for both of you. It provides easy-to-follow instructions and age-appropriate tasks for little hands to help with. It's a great way to teach valuable life skills. With colorful photos and simple recipes, it makes cooking an exciting adventure for your toddler. It's a recipe for family fun. What we like. It's designed for toddlers, with healthy and kid-friendly recipes perfect for cooking together. If you're looking for a cookbook to bond with your toddler in the kitchen, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for parents who want to introduce their little ones to healthy eating habits and the joy of cooking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.